When we eat cooked foods, we are not thinking about the digestive process that goes on in the body when the food hits our stomach. If the food is prepared well, we are very much enjoying the flavors that have been combined. Those whose diet consists primarily of raw foods claim that cooking food produces harmful chemical toxins. Some of these concerns are accepted and have been proven by science. Some of the claims though are speculative. Let's examine some of the potential harmful effects of cooked foods that are science-based and others that are speculative. Several studies published since 1990 have shown that cooking muscle meat, including beef, pork, fish, or poultry, can create heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, which are thought to increase cancer risk in humans. Researchers at the National Cancer Institute found that human subjects who ate beef rare to medium rare had less than one-third the risk of stomach cancer than those who ate beef medium well to well done. How so? While eating muscle meat raw may be the only way to avoid HCAs fully, the National Cancer Institute states that cooking meat below 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius creates negligible amounts of HCAs. Frying, broiling, roasting and grilling of meat, poultry and seafood produce the largest amounts of HCAs when they are cooked at a high temperature. Researchers have found that marinating meat prior to grilling, even for just a few minutes, can reduce HCA formation by 90% or more. It is believed that the marinade forms a protective barrier for the meat juices that prevents the HCA reaction from occurring. Read the article in its entirety, Potential Harmful Effects of Cooked Foods, by clicking on link at the foot of this video. Read more about AGE's effects on the human body, pros and cons of using the microwave to reduce HCAs, and preventing AGE formation when cooking foods.